Advise this contact you have, Yankee. Southwest Florida International Airport information at Yankee. 1650 meets our observation. Wind 16011, visibility 10, sky conditions steering 2,900 broken. Temperature 280.21, altimeter 3001. ILS approaching use landing and departing runway 06, notice airman. Lee County TACAN has without service. Alpha 1 and Alpha 10 edge markings are not standard. Clearance delivery combined to ground control on 121.9er.
1519, thanks.
Ground Premier 390 Golf Mike, information Yankee.
Alright, 390 Golf Mike, 4 Myers, clearance to Indy executive, standby. Controller changeover in progress.
Roger.
Three designer 0 Golf Mike, Fort Myers, clearance clear to Tango Yankee Quebec Airport, CCHEL 5 departure, Lakeland transition as followed, squawk 0503.
390 Golf Mike is the CCHEL 5, Lakeland, and then as filed, 0503 is the squawk.
Number 0 Golf Mike, read back correct.
And 390 Golf Mike, we're ready to taxi with Yankee.
390 Golf Mike, Fort Myers ground, runway 6, taxi via Alpha 4 Alpha.
6 via Alpha 4 Alpha, 0 Golf Mike.
Ground up 503, gate Charlie 8 to push.
Delta 503 Fort Myers ground, advisory taxi.
Push prove, advise taxi, Delta 503.
Clear for takeoff. By rolling, 472.
Delta 1458, wind 17011, runway 6, clear to land, traffic on the roll.
Clear to land 6, Delta 1458.
All right, well, welcome aboard. We're heading back from Florida today, Southwest Florida International to Indianapolis. Pretty bad weather back home, so we're going to keep an eye on it and see what it looks like as we get a little closer. And we are prepared to land elsewhere if need be, so we'll see what happens. One guy landing here, American flight on the other side, waiting.
South 472, contact departure, good day.
Good day, sir.
American 2531, 4 Myers Tower, runway 6, line up and wait.
Alright, line up wait 6, American 2531.
Fort Myers Tower, Premier 390 Golf Mike, hold short of 6, ready in sequence.
Number 390 Golf Mike, 4 Myers Tower, hold short runway 6, number 2 for sequence.
Hold short 6, 0 Golf Mike.
1458, turn right, contact ground point 9, good day.
Right turn point 9, Delta 1458, good day.
That horizontal line in front of us is the hold short line. No part of our airplane can touch
wind 17014, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
until we are cleared onto the runway.
2531.
Got our takeoff checks complete, everything except for heats, lights, and ignition. Get those when we take the active.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, 4 miles tower, runway 6, line up away.
Line up and wait, runway 6, 390 Golf Mike.
American 2531, contact departure, good day.
2531, good day.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, 4 miles tower, caution wake turbulence, previous departure Boeing 737, wind 16013, runway 6, clear for takeoff.
Runway 6, clear for takeoff, 390 Golf Mike.
Zero Golf Mike, contact departure, good day.
Go to departure, 0 Golf Mike, good day.
RNF, Bravo.
585, we don't have any routing after LaBelle. We didn't know what you want us to do now, we just crossed it.
185, fly heading of 200, vector final approach course.
Sliding 200, flight 85.
Departure, Premier 390 Golf Mike, 1500, climb into 4.
R5 Romeo, November contact approach 119.75.
5075, talk to you soon, 75 rest.
Departure, Premier 390 Golf Mike, 1900, climb into 4.
Our 390 Golf Mike, 4 miles departure, radar contact, altitude, leave and climb, maintain 10,000, turn left direct CCHEL.
Out of 2400, going up to 10,000 and left turn direct CCHEL, 0 Golf Mike. Direct CCHEL, execute nav. Okay, that's good.
Our 254 Sierra Bravo, 4 miles approach, altitude leaving and verify 8 at Zulu at Naples Airport.
Fort Myers, hello, 254 Sierra Bravo with you, leveling 10,000, Zulu.
Our 254 Sierra Bravo, Fort Myers approach, roger, and verify you can accept runway 14.
Yes, sir, we can accept runway 14 for Sierra Bravo. We're not, so we have information, Yankee.
Clear at 85, reduce speed to 210, then continue to descend down to 8,000.
Reduce speed 210, then down to 8, Colette 85.
0 Golf Mike, contact Miami Center, 127.2, good day.
127.2, 0 Golf Mike, good day. Miami Premier 390 Golf Mike, 5,900, climb at 10,000.
Premier 390 Golf Mike, Miami Center, climb maintain 17,000.
17,000, Zero Golf Mike.
Miami, fish at 577, level 240, leg shot.
Fish at 577, Miami Center, descend to maintain 17,000, Fort Myers altimeter 3001.
17,030 meter, exit.
Gulfstream 8 Quebec Sierra, climb maintain for level 230 and contact Miami Center 125.07.
230 and 2507, November 508, Quebec Sierra, bye.
Okay, got the autopilot in, excuse me.
JetBlue 1639, cross Momo at maintain 10,000, again the Fort Myers altimeter 3001.
Cross Momo 10,000,
CCHEL.
3001 on the meter, jump to 1639.
I set
2 Lima Romeo, maintain 290 knots, please.
290 now on the speed for 2 Lima Romeo.
I've set flight level climb to hold 220 knots on the climb.
Good speed at 361, Miami Center, roger.
And once we get above 10, I'm going to
flight 9, cleared, direct Momo, resume normal speed.
Direct Momo, normal speed, down flight 9.
Delta 1702, contact Miami Center 126.52.
12652, Delta 1702.
West at 1184, contact Fort Myers, approach 126.8.
126.8, so long, West at 1184.
Exit jet 577, clear direct Momo, cross Momo at maintain 10,000.
Direct Momo, Momo at 10,000, exit jet 577.
Southwest 472, good day, contact Miami Center 126.52.
126.52, good day.
November 2 Lima Romeo, you may see traffic 11 o'clock on about 3 miles southeast on Cessna VFR 9,500.
We're looking for traffic, 2 Lima Romeo.
JetBlue 1639, if you would please cross 5 miles north of Momo at maintain 10,000.
Alright, 5 north of Momo, 10,000, JetBlue 1639. Do you need 270 now, JetBlue 1639?
39 seconds.
Do you still need 270?
Sure do, yes. .7.
3578, runway Victor, see ya.
Miami Center, citation 623 out Tango Suzy, climbing to 90,000. 230. Climb maintain 230, 63 out Tango.
Miami Center, 113 is leveling off at 1,2000. Good, direct LaBelle, then direct Lee County, and 3001, so into 113. Let me see 16,000, Delta 9, I think.
Mike, Miami. Approach 1.8, thanks for the help.
26.8, we'll see you later, Triple T Lima Romeo.
Okay, out of 15,000 feet now, climbing to 17,000.
Good speed 361, clear direct Momo, cross Momo at maintain 10,000. Fort Myers altimeter 3001.
Directly to Momo and then cross Momo 10,000, good speed 361.
So the airplane is turning itself to the next point on the
Talon flight
departure
9,
jet
cross
line.
Momo at maintain 1,000.
Cross Momo at 1,000, Talon flight 9.
November 390 Golf Mike, Miami.
Go ahead, Zero Golf Mike.
Zero Golf Mike, it's about the 4th or 5th call now, clear direct Lakeland.
Director Lakeland, yeah, your radio's really weak, Zurich off Mike.
Alright, is this any better for you, Zurich off Mike?
Yeah, much better.
Okay. JetBlue 1639, traffic 3 o'clock, 6 miles converging, also on the ship, the arrival of the Hawker jet. They're leaving 17 for 1000, descending reference U. Contact Fort Myers approach on 126.8. Alright, 126.8, and we'll be looking for traffic, JetBlue 1639. Zero Golf Mike today, contact Miami Center on 126.52.
126.52, Zurich off Mike, good day.
Citation 3L.
American 1868, what's the plan Mach speed in the cruise?
0.78 for American 1868.
American 1868, roger, maintain Mach 0.77 or less, ventral spacing, climb maintain about 370.
77 or less, climb to flight level 370, American 1868.
Miami Premier 39 Zurich off Mike 17,000.
Number 39 Zurich off Mike, Miami Center, roger, high momentarily.
Okay.
Option 465, thanks for your help in the descent. 465, thanks. Number 390 Golf Mike, climb maintain about 340.
Flight level 340, Zurich off Mike. Okay. Select the altitude. Tell it how we want to climb there. Let's start off with a climb via pitch. The airplane will pitch up into those pink flight director bars.
Center, Delta 1516 with you. We're level flight level 270. We're going fast.
Delta 1516, roger.
Center asked for 962 Alpha 370.
Number 962 Alpha, Miami Center, roger, flight level 370.
Flight jet 373, second 300 for 270 at impact.
Executive 373, Miami Center, roger.
Increase the pitch a little
contact
bit.
Miami Center, 127.2.
372, you have a good day, option 465.
Southwest 472, clear direct Craig on course, climb and maintain, flight level, actually flight level 350 is going to be your final with Miami. Jacksonville has your request for 37.
Okay, Craig, get up to 35, 472.
About 220 knots, good climb. I can hit my flight level change button, and it will flight level change to 20, and it will climb at 220 knots.
Level 240, Delta 1516.
Center, just at 215s out of 31 to cross and pin at flight level 270, 280 knots.
Executive 215, Miami Center, roger. Number 361 Kilo, amend altitude, maintain follow 380.
Alright, we'll stop at 380, 361 Kilo.
Delta 1516, contact Miami Center, 127.2.
127.2 for Delta 1516.
Temperature good and everything?
Miami Center, good morning, Copa 413, chicken 8, level 350.
Copa 413, Miami Center, roger. American 1868, contact Jacksonville Center, 135.45.
We filed for 40,000 feet today, so
Exec at 215, reset the transponder.
once we get up here a little bit higher, I'll turn the cameras off and
2106 for jet.
come back on when we get situated in cruise.
Afternoon, Center, citation 484, Sierra Fox is at a 30.5 across Hampton and 270 and 280 on the speed.
Number 484, Sierra Fox, Miami Center, roger, 280 on the speed and 270 on the altitude.
For Sierra Fox.
Exec at 373, descend and maintain, Bravo 240.
240, exec jet 373. Miami Center, Southwest 2119, and flight level 24.2 for flight level 370.
Southwest 2119, Miami Center, roger.
Miami Center, good afternoon. Cessna citation 285, Mike Charlie, 390.
Number 285, Mike Charlie, Miami Center, roger, at flight level 390.
Okay, so we got our climb checklist
exec
done.
at 215, descend and maintain, Bob 240.
Down 240, jet at 215.
Exec at 373, contact Miami Center on 127.2.
172, today. Allegiant 7003, 390.
Allegiant 7003, Miami Center, roger, at 390.
See that our destination is 777 nautical miles away at our current speed, which is our climb speed. We'll be there in 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's the UTC time. And we'll land with 110 pounds of fuel.
503 is checking out 20.7.
Gross weight of 9,500.
Copo 413, descend.
But as we get up, we'll get up higher, we'll become more fuel efficient. And once we finish climbing, we'll accelerate. So
Climb maintain 270.
whole flight is scheduled for 2 hours and 14 minutes with about 2,400 pounds of fuel.
Allegiant 7003, turn 20 degrees to the right, short vector for traffic.
Delta 1702,
So you see
good
those numbers will improve as we climb.
Allegiant 7003, turn 20 right, vector traffic.
20 right for Allegiant 7003. Delta 1702, you know if the rides are good ahead at 330?
We're down here.
Complaints the ride, contact Jacksonville Center on 127.47.
Coming up over Atlanta,
2747, thanks, Delta 1702.
over Louisville, and then on
Center
Indy.
breakout 4370 is
See quite a bit of bad weather.
230.
So we're going to monitor that.
Breakout 4370, Miami Center, roger, climbing
See how it looks as we get closer.
340.
Delta 340, breakout 4370.
Copa 413, contact Miami Center 135.17.
135.17, couple 413, good day.
Right. November 0 Golf Mike, contact Jacksonville Center on 125.17, 2517.
2517, Zergo Mike, good day.
November 40.
Maintain flight level 320.
320, Southwest 1067.
Jack Center, Premier 390 Golf Mike, 29.8, climbing flight level 340.
For 390 Golf Mike, Jack Center, roger.
Jack Center, relay 291, 390, descending 350, 350 at Indy Park 9.
Red Lake 298, Jack Center, roger.
You can already see that our fuel load is improving as we're climbing, as far as what we're going to land with.
383 with you down to 330.
One country 383, Jack Center, roger.
Jack Center, Frontier Flight 92 with you at 360.
All right, I'm going to turn off now, and we'll
last
come back on about halfway through the flight and give you an update.
Frontier Flight 9.
We're on our descent into Indianapolis. I did not get an en route briefing for you because I was busy monitoring the weather. You can see a pretty big band of storms, and quite frankly, we're kind of racing it in. And I was watching that and watching where we might go. Weather gets too bad.
Center 390 Golf Mike, thanks for the help today. Contact Indy Center 133.05.
3305, Zero Golf Mike, good day.
2377 for South 187, right? 2377, sir, thank you. Thank you, Epidemic.
Okay. Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, leveling flight level 340.
Remember, 390 Golf Mike, Indy Center, roger.
Okay, so we are going to come in around the east side of this weather here.
Southwest 264, you're clear to the Jacksonville Airport via direct Alma and the Alma to arrival. That's Alpha Mike Golf.
Say again, Southwest 264.
You're clear to the Jacksonville Airport via direct Alma and the Alma to arrival into Jacksonville. Alma, the phonetics are Alpha Mike Golf.
So that should work out pretty well, just along the front edge of that.
Alpha Mike
pretty
Golf
gusty
and
winds.
Jacksonville Airport.
So we'll monitor and see how things go.
Alma and the Alma 2.
Alma 2.
Center 738, like to accept flight level 390 enable.
Southwest 1405, center maintain flight level 350.
350, Southwest 1405, we have to deviate then.
Wait, which way are you deviating and what are you requesting?
If we could stay at 370 for about 40 miles.
That was for Southwest 1405, you're at 360 now.
Alright, we'd like to go deviate right, Southwest 1405, we can go down to 350.
Southwest 1405, deviations up to 20 degrees right, of course, are approved, and when able, you're clear direct Kokomo.
Kokomo enable, Southwest 1405.
Southwest 1405, contact Indy Center 134.7.
134.7, Southwest 1405.
Legion 990 cross 30, that's 30 miles south of Easel at maintain flight level 240.
30 south of Easel at 240, Legion 990.
Sunwing 738, contact Indy Center 126.902.
126.902, Sunwing 738, good day, sir.
Southwest 264, contact Indy Center 126.902.
2692, 264, good day.
Number 1 Hotel Sierra, contact Indy Center 134.7.
347, have a good day.
November 126 Hotel Romeo, clear direct Kokomo, cross 125, that's 125 miles south of Kokomo at maintain flight level 350.
Okay, direct Kokomo, cross 125 miles south of Kokomo at 350 for 6 Hotel Romeo.
Soletta 84, contact Memphis Center 124.12.
2412. Medevac Soletta 84, thanks.
Indy Executive, where we're landing, is calling 1100 foot overcast with winds out of the east.
November 390 Golf Mike, cross 35 miles south of Scarf intersection at maintain flight level 240.
Okay, 35 south of Scarf at flight level 240, 390 Golf Mike.
Legion 990, contact Indy Center 124.77.
124.77, Legion 990.
United 267, contact Indy Center 123.77. 2377 at 267, good day.
So I created another point 35 miles south of Scarf. I told the airplane I wanted to cross it at 24,000 feet. So it will in fact do that for me. A lot going on right now, so my narrative is going to be limited. I am really concentrating on
Attention all aircraft hazardous weather information, connect to Sigma 65
making sure I keep everything safe here.
Zulu for Tennessee, Indiana, Kentucky, and Illinois. More information available on High Watch Flight Service frequency.
Okay, coming up on the top of descent. Bring the power back a little bit. The airplane will follow this little snowflake down.
American 671, contact Indy Center 134.67.
And American 671, what was the freak again?
134.67.
All right, 134.67, American 671, good day. Indy 350, Delta Romeo is 260.
November 350, Delta Romeo, Indy Center, roger.
Okay, I just got the ATIS at our ASOS at executive. 1,000-foot overcast, 10-mile visibility. Winds are 090 at 22, gusting 29. Temperature is 1. Probably expect some icing on this approach end. Definitely some turbulence. Pretty gusty.
November 126, Hotel Romeo, contact Indy Center 134.7.
134.7, good day. 6 Hotel. Indy, good afternoon, Legion 141, 200 for 230.
Legion 141, Indy Center, roger, climb, maintain, flight level 340.
340, Legion 141.
November 390, Golf Mike, contact Indy Center 124.77.
2477, Zero Golf Mike, good day. Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, 27.7 across 35 south of Scarf at 240.
November 390 Golf Mike, Indy Center, good afternoon. Cross Scarf at maintain 14,000, Indianapolis altimeter 2971.
Scarf at 14,000, 2971, Zero Golf Mike. Okay, so Scarf is one of my waypoints I had in. So I went ahead and entered that at 14,000 feet. I'm adjusting my altimeters now. Back. Next altitude of 14,000 feet.
Air Shuttle 5826, flight present heading, vector for the climb. November 390 Golf Mike, be advised in this general area, aircraft have reported light rime icing 17,000 through 16,000 and a temperature of -3.
Okay, roger that. Thank you, Zero Golf Mike.
Air Shuttle 5826, clear direct Little Rock. Air Shuttle 5826, contact Indianapolis Center 133.05. Allegiance 990, contact Indianapolis approach 121.1.
121.1, Allegiant 990, good day. Approach Allegiant 990 is out of 15.5, descending via the Gibbs 1 with Victor.
Allegiance 990, forgot to flip the switch into approach 121.1.
Sorry.
Not a problem, Happy New Year.
There's a little moisture I see. Turn the auto ignition on. There's our ice. As predicted, right?
November 390 Golf Mike, contact Indianapolis approach 121.
I believe it was 21-1 for Zero Golf Mike.
Yep, sorry about that, I cut myself off. 121.1, good day.
All right, we'll talk to you later, Zero Golf Mike.
Legion 990, reduce speed to 250.
Floater 250, Legion 990.
Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, 16.6 descending to 14,000.
309 Golf Mike, Indy approach. Verify weather. Notice that Air Correction Executive, altimeter 2970 to Indianapolis.
2970, we're looking for the ILS 36. We have the weather, Zero Golf Mike.
Roger. Zero Golf Mike, descend to maintain 10,000.
10,000, Zero Golf Mike.
United 307, turn left heading of 090, intercept the runway 5 left localizer.
090, intercept 5 left localizer, United 307.
United 1403, turn left heading 180.
180 on the heading, United 1403.
American 1973, turn right 320.
Right turn heading 320, American 1973.
United 307, you are 5 miles from Oink, maintain 2,500 until status localized. Cleared ILS runway 5 left approach, maintain 170 knots over to Raider until Oink.
2,500 still established, clear for the ILS 5 left, 170 knots or better to Oink, United 307.
American 1973, turn right heading 030, intercept the runway 5 right, localizer.
Heading 030, intercept 5 right, loc, American 1973.
United 1403, turn left heading 090, intercept 5 left, localizer.
090, join the 5 left, localizer, United 1403.
Zero Golf Mike, descend maintain 10,000, contact Indy approach 124.905.
2495, 10,000, 0 Golf Mike. Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, 12.6, descending 10,000.
390 Golf Mike, Indy approach 5 present heading, via vector for the approach, descend and maintain 9,000.
Present heading and vectors for the approach, 0 Golf Mike.
Premier 0 Golf Mike, descend and maintain 9,000.
9,000, 0 Golf Mike.
TVM 700 off Quebec, Indy approach, climb and maintain 10,000, report leaving 3,000. TVM off Quebec, ident. TVM 0 off Quebec, radar contact 2 miles southwest of the Muncie Airport, maintain 10,000. What is your on-course heading to Kankakee? TVM 0 off Quebec, proceed on course.
I like the way this controller's bringing us in for vectors on the ILS 36, keeping us to the east of the weather. Going to turn us to the west here in a little while. Turn us to the west for the intercept. Could have brought us in directly from the south, but That would not have been as good.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, turn left heading 330, descend and maintain 4,000.
330 on the heading down to 4,000, Zero Golf Mike.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, this is vectors around departures at Indianapolis International. Expect to cross final and come back around for the opposite downwind.
Okay, roger that, Zero Golf Mike.
TM Zero Alpha Quebec, common maintain 12,000, 12,000. Contact Chicago Center, 120.907. Good day. Premier 390 Golf Mike, turn left, proceed direct, yeah, bud.
Left turn to direct, yeah, bud, Zero Golf Mike.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, Zero Golf Mike.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, I am showing minor precipitation encroaching upon the final from Yadbud to Pipti. However, Indy executive appears to be in the clear.
Okay, roger that, Zero Golf Mike.
Potential aircraft, any tower information, whiskey is now current. Altimeter's 2970. Premier Zero Golf Mike is 4 miles from Pipti, turn right heading 330, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 36 approach.
Right turn to 330, 3000 until established, cleared the ILS 36, Zero Golf Mike.
Premier Zero Golf Mike, report your IFR cancellation there on this frequency. On the ground, all the remote frequency change advisory frequencies approved.
Roger that, Zero Golf Mike. Executive traffic Premier 390 Golf Mike just outside Pipti on the ILS 36. Bumpy.
$1,000. $500. Minimums.
Glide slope.
Have landed. Tell you, that was a handful. Gonna go over to Indy. I can get them on a GCO. can usually get them on a GCO. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go.
Indianapolis Tricon.
Yeah, Indy Premier 390 Golf Mike, we're on the ground at executive, cancel on IFR.
Please receive, have a good evening.
Thank you much. Okay. Okay, 2 hours, 8 minutes, one very difficult ILS on the back end, 852 miles, 2250 on the fuel. Let's see. Okay. You guys want to do that again?